on fire.
Nana, you wanted a chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana, the saucy chef, what y'all cooking. A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana, the saucy chef. 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 Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the saucy chef. Today I'm going to be making a 1-pan rice-a-roni chicken skillet. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 2.5 cups of water, 1 6.9 ounce box of rice-a-roni chicken flavor, 1 pound of chicken breast cut into bite-sized pieces, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of dried parsley flakes, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and 2 tablespoons of butter. In a skillet over medium heat, I'm going to add in my olive oil. I'm going to let that come to temperature. To my chicken breast, I'm going to add in my salt and also my black pepper. You just want to mix that until it's well combined. Now we're going to add our chicken breast to our skillet. We're going to let our chicken breast just sit and cook for 4 to 5 minutes on each side. You don't want to disturb your chicken, you just want to let it sit and cook. Okay guys, after 4 minutes, you can begin to turn your chicken over. Now let that cook for another 4 to 5 minutes. Okay guys, now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of our butter. You want to go ahead and mix it around and let that melt. You want to scrape up all that good stuff in the bottom of your pan, all that flavor. Once your butter has melted, we're going to add in our rice-a-roni. You want to just go ahead and keep moving it around until it's nice and toasted and golden. Remember, you're going to keep stirring. You want a nice golden color on your vermicelli. Okay guys, as you can see, it's nice and golden. So now we're going to slowly add in our 2.5 cups of water. Now you can go ahead and mix it. Now I'm going to add in the seasoning packet. And we're just going to mix it until it's well combined. Once it comes to a boil, we're going to lower it to low, place our lid over top, and let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay guys, it's been 20 minutes and our rice-a-roni is done. We're going to let that sit for about a minute or 2. Okay guys, so we're just going to go ahead and mix our rice. Okay guys, now I'm going to add a little bit of my dried parsley flakes over top. Okay guys, so here we have it, our delicious 1-pan rice-a-roni chicken skillet. This is a very budget-friendly meal and your family will love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?